Hi everyone, hope you all are doing fine. Welcome back to my channel, Pretty and Innovative Things. So, my dear friends, I hope all the things are so good at your side, and I'm wishing all of you a very good, a very beautiful morning because it's morning at my side. I don't know what's the time at your side. So, my dear friends, it's a pleasant morning with the chirping birds, with the cool breeze blowing, and all the good things. I am so thankful to Almighty who has blessed all of us with the beauty of this world and with so many blessings and all the bounties. And so many best wishes and prayers for all of my beautiful and very, very kind viewers. May Almighty keep all of us safe and secure. So, my dear friends, in this video, we are going to see a very beautiful collection of crochet granny scare dresses. In the last video, I brought to you a very beautiful and amazingly stylish collection of crochet granny scare, but they were not crochet granny scare dresses. Actually, they were crochet granny scare cardigans, and the response that I got from all of you was so amazing. So I'm so thankful to all of you for your support and for your kindness. And in this video I'm sharing crochet granny scare dresses because these dresses are so popular and most of the women actually love to do crocheting, and they are actually on a daily basis and most of the time trying to find some ideas and designs so that can follow these kind of innovative and unique designs, and they can make these. So these models, these designs and ideas are surely going to be a very good thing for you if you are planning to make something very beautiful, stylish, elegant. And I hope it is going to be the best thing that you ever made, because this is not just a crochet dress, this is not just a simple or a common thing, but it is actually a unique outfit. If you are trying or planning, or is there any upcoming event in future and you are planning to wear something really stylish, and you are actually thinking how to look unique and how to look different from others, so these ideas are surely going to be for you because these are amazing ideas and you will be enjoying. I'm so sorry for if there is any background noise because I'm here in our room where the window is actually opened in the street side. So sometime if someone passes by the window, it happens that there is any noise, so please ignore that sound. You can see on the screens there are so many beautiful granny scare dresses. In this picture the girl is wearing, and this one is so cool. The granny scare pattern is actually made with flowers on the waist side, and the rest of the dress is just plain from the upper side, but it is so elegant, and this is fully flowered and granny scare patterned on the sleeves, on the border, and the full dress is in the granny scare pattern, and it is tremendously stylish. And look at this one, this is also beautiful. It is having a kind of yellowish or cream colored base and different multicolored flower on it, and it is looking so cool. And look at this one, this is a kind of beach cover up, and it is in the granny scare pattern, and it is looking so beautiful, having a light base and dark colored flower borders. This one is a black color, having a kind of different style and having flowers on it, and you can see how elegant is the girl looking. She has matched a purse and earrings. This one is also so cute and my personal favorite. You can go with it while wearing some kind of maroon jeans, or kind of even black or white one. This one is also very cute, having a white colored pattern and the multicolor flowers on it, added buttons on it of white color, and having some ribbons to tie it. This one is also very cute. The skirt is also in the granny scare pattern. It is so elegant, and I hope you are loving these designs because they are so stylish. This one in black color is actually the back side of the one that we have watched earlier. This one is so cute. You can go for this, you can copy this, even you can choose the colors with your own choice. It's up to you that which color you are going for, which is the best color, and it also depends that which color actually suits you the best, because we have to take care. You can even get idea of these shoes in the picture. These are also in the granny scare pattern, The woman is wearing a kind of shirt. It is also in the granny square pattern, and look at this one. You can also get idea of the sleeves. They are so beautiful. All the designs are so beautiful. So my dear friends, let me request you, if you are liking this video, please hit like, and if you are here for the first time, I request you to please subscribe and press the bell icon, and keep supporting and keep watching. I hope you would enjoy all the future contents too. So we will meet in the next video. Till then, take care of yourselves, take care of your families, take care. Bye bye.